Hi there. Today I'm going to tell you why Kerala is considered as role model for many states in India during this lockdown. What exactly they are doing to have such a low death rate and why the numbers are not increasing. What are the 5 facts? I'm going to tell it to you in 5 points. Number 1, proactive thinking. Kerala was the first state in India that announced that the entire state will be in complete lockdown because they got to know that there is no medicine for COVID-19 and it is human to human transmission. And they even know that their own people who are working and studying in abroad, they're going to return. Because of their return, they're going to have a huge increase in COVID-19 cases. Now, the government clearly announced to the state people, nobody should go panic because the basic essential shops will be open for the state people. And there was a shortage in face masks. So the government approached the manufacturers, but they couldn't provide it because of the huge demand. So the government approached the prison officials. Prison officials came into picture. They took the responsibility in manufacturing the face mask for the state people with the help of prisoners. And it is sorted out. Partially, Kerala launched Break the Chain campaign just to educate the people importance of washing hands and using hand sanitizers whenever they step in or step out. Now, the entire nation was running through the shortage of PPE kits because PPE kits can be used only once and it is expensive because in a year in India we used to manufacture just 47,000 PPE kits. So, Kerala was the first state in India to launch walk-in kiosks. These walk-in kiosks can collect the samples in just 2 minutes, and these walk-in kiosks can be used by multiple healthcare workers on periodic basis. And this walk-in kiosks is one-time investment. Walk-in kiosks closets can be sanitized after every single test. Now, Kerala government not only took care of the state people, they also took care of the migrant workers because the other side migrant workers were requesting the government to open the lockdown so that they can head back to their hometown. But government quickly organized 4,000 plus camps for the migrant workers and consider them as you are state guest workers. More than 140,000 state guest workers got benefited with soap, hand sanitizers, masks, even rations were provided for them. Number 2, special package. When entire Kerala people were lost their hope and they were in confused state what they're going to do next because we don't know what future has for us because it's a sudden lockdown, there is no revenue for them. So what they're going to do? At that time, Kerala government launched a special package 20,000 crores for the people, state people, and they told them in this battle we are together, we're going to fight together and we're going to overcome. This confidence gave the Kerala people and they supported the government even more in better way. Number 3, quarantine time. Many people ask Kerala, why are you following 28 days of quarantine? But the actual truth is, more than 95% of the people shows the symptoms in just 14 days, but remaining 5 people show the symptoms after 14 days. There is a reason to adopt 28 days of quarantine. Kerala government recently announced that home quarantine is more effective than the institutional quarantine because a home quarantine, the person is surrounded by the family with love, with attention, the positive auras with him. When he is in institutional quarantine, he'll be having that regret, he's in hospital. He'll be having to that mind, I've got affected by COVID. But wherein in home quarantine, it is not like that. He'll get the home food and he will be even more conscious to take care of him. If he fail to take care of him, the COVID might spread for the rest of the family people. So this is the reason people suggest for the home quarantine with certain rules and conditions. Number 4, low community spread. Most of the people work and study in abroad. But during the burst of pandemic, more than 4 lakh plus people had registered in NOCA that they want to return to their home state. The report says Kerala has highest overseas transmissions and less human to human transmission. For example, today if Kerala has 10 COVID cases, 8 people are from abroad who return from abroad. 2 people are from Kerala. It's like they don't have any background of overseas or something like that. So this is the statistics what they have. Number 5, support from the community. The government from its side has taken a lot of measure in order to prevent the spread of COVID-19. However, government cannot alone succeed in doing this. It also requires its people's support in doing this. People of Kerala understood the seriousness, supported the government by following the guidelines. This made the people to break the chain. This was the reason for Kerala to flatten the curve and have such a low death rate. This is the reason many people look Kerala as a role model. You can go and check with the Keralites, you can ask how the government is. Everybody will support the government. At this time, they are not saying which government is ruling, whether they are our community, they are our religion. They are not looking at it. The government is helping for everybody equally. So we have to understand these things and we have to follow this kind of rules in our state. If we follow all these things from in our state, that is more than enough. We can flatten the curve easily. If you really like my video, please give a thumbs up, and if you want me to talk any particular topic, please mention it in the comment section. Kindly subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting 2 videos in a week. Having said that, this is Shoshwa Jeremiah signing off. Until I meet you in the next episode, do not forget your roots and your heritage, where you came from. Good day.